मध्यप्राच्य युद्ध मध्य भारत पर आश्वस्तिकर खबर भारत में पहुंचला इंधनवाही जहाज शिवालिक आज आउ एक जहाज नंदादेवी पहुंचा नहीं सूचना मिली गतकाली पहुंची शिवालिक जहाज में 40,000 मेट्रिक टन एलपीजी रही से आज नंदादेवी जहाज पहुंची 92,712 मेट्रिक टन एलपीजी रही युद्ध मध्य ईरान द्वारा हरमुज प्रणाली बंद रहा जो शक्ति संकट सृष्टि होता किंतु भारत कूटनैतिक प्रयास जो एलपीजी रे लोड होता दुईटी बड़ जहाज शिवालिक और नंदादेवी सुरक्षित भाव में हरमुज प्रणाली पार करते भारत एलपीजी आवश्यकतार 60% विश्वव्यापी बजार आमदानी करे 90% हरमुज प्रणाली दे आमदानी करे गत 17 दिन धरी मध्यप्राच्य चली युद्ध जो आहरी 22 भारतीय मालवाही जहाज हरमुज प्रणाली रे फसी रही
with the Shivalik LPG carrier which sailed from Persian Gulf, crossed the Strait of Hormuz. Documentation, priority berthing, everything has been arranged at the port so that there is no delay in discharge of cargo by this. All Indian seafarers in Persian Gulf area are safe. No incident has been reported in last 24 hours. And we are in the ministry and in the DG shipping, we are keeping continuous watch on the situation. We are in touch with each vessel and its crew. 22 vessels, as was reported on Saturday also. 22 Indian flag vessels with 611 Indian seafarers remain in the west of the Strait of Hormuz in Persian Gulf. And DG shipping continues to closely monitor the situation in coordination with ship owners, the recruitment and service licensee, and Indian missions in the region.
So Nanda Devi vessel has just arrived at early morning today at 2:30 a.m. and it has come with a parcel size of 46,500 metric tons of LPG. Now it has come here for ship-to-ship transfer. So and this operation will take place in the anchorage area and the high seas. The daughter vessel is BW Birch, so that vessel has also arrived. The equipments for ship-to-ship transfer are being arranged. By 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it will be placed alongside, and the operation will start at around 3. So it is as I said, it has arrived in the early morning, and it is anchored there in the anchorage area, in the around 5 nautical miles from this place, and the daughter vessel is also standing there, and the fenders are being arranged, so they are being towed. So in another 1.5 hours. It will be placed side to side, and then the operation will start. So it is an instruction and direction from the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways. Our Honorable Shipping Minister is also in touch, regular touch with all of us. He has directed that any LPG vessel coming to any of the ports is to be given priority. So it is to be dealt on a high priority, and it is to be berthed and provided all facilities for efficient discharge, and there should be no delay in discharging of the vessels. Everything is okay. They are all happy. We have met them and we have offered them. We have felicitated them, and we have thanked them for bringing this parcel here. And we have given them this assurance that any facility or any support is required from our side of any kind, we are here to support. So we are in regular touch with the Ministry and Government of India. So as and when we get this information, we are in readiness. So whenever we get the information, we will handle it.